Good morning, student. I am your Stephen sir from ICRA English Medium. Today I am going to teach you subject English, standard 11th, and the book which I am going to use is a Hornbill textbook, chapter number 5, The Allying Planet, the Green Movement's Role. Summary of the Allying Planet. This chapter will be focusing on the causes that are responsible for the weakening health of this planet. This chapter is initially an article. The writer of this article is Nani Palkhiwal. This article was published in the Indian Express, which is a newspaper. On the 23rd of November in the year 1994, in this article, the writer deliberates about the green movement. The Allying Planet means AILING. Some of them says align, some of them says allying. So what is this? Allying means it's broken, टूटा हुआ, बिखरा हुआ. So क्या बिखरा हुआ है? Our planet. The Green Movement Role Summary talks about how a zoo declared humans as world's most dangerous animal. So now we'll go in details about this chapter, so please pay attention. The writer briefs the change in the perception of the societies from a materialistic view to the comprehensive and ecological view of this world. It states that humans are now worrying about the environment. In this way of perception, our planet is considered as a living organism. People consider it as it's having its own metabolic functioning as all other living entities are having. Then the author explains the concept of sustainable growth of 1987 meets the want of the current time without losing the ability of upcoming generation to meet their needs and fulfill them. Furthermore, we must utilize the natural resources in such a way that we fulfill our need as well as conserve these resources for the upcoming generations. People consider themselves as a partner and not as member of this planet. In actuality, we are partners with millions of creatures of this entire planet. The Global Economic Prospect, a book, points out that the planet's major biological systems are four, that are fisheries, forest, and croplands and grasslands. These virtually consist of all the raw materials of industries at present. A non-sustainable utilization of these resources is occurring, then the writer is concerned about the lessening of the forest land, the dung which we should use as a natural fertilizer we are generally using to produce fuel. On the other hand, the soil is not receiving natural fertilizer. Then the writer refers to the Article 48A of the Constitution of India. Article 48A is state that the state should guard and improve the forest and the wildlife as well, but they do not impose the law appropriately, then the writer refers to a proclamatory committee report that says the decline of a forest at the frequency of 3.7 million acre every single year. The United Nations cautions that the environment has deteriorated so severely that it is critical in many of the 88 countries examined. The population is rising at a very higher rate. Development of growth are the second most appropriate solution to people's problem. With such a population, development is a difficult task to do. We need a proper family planning to control the situation of overpopulation. There is a major need to control the population of the earth. The writer at this point once more repeat the positive change in view of the people regarding ecology. Industries must also take responsibility for a better ecosystem. So the conclusion of this Allying Planet, the Green Movement role to conclude the Allying Planet, the Green Movement role summary, it tells us about the situation of this planet is in a crucial condition and how we must do our best to save it. So this was the explanation of this chapter. Thank you so much.